What you're about to see is an exclusive video from our More Sales Challenge. If you are a sales professional or if you are a business owner and you want to generate more income, you want to close more sales or you want to close more deals, click the link below in the description to find out more about our upcoming More Sales Challenge. In the meantime, enjoy this video. You live by price, you die by price. Competing in the marketplace by being the cheapest provider, by offering the cheapest solution, it is not a sustainable advantage. So what you want to do is to figure out how you can sell your offers at a higher price, at higher profit margins, because that is the only way to scale. That's how you get more commissions, that's how you get more profits. And I get this objection a lot because most of what I sell is high ticket, is high end. So a prospect might say to me, well, why is this so expensive? There are cheaper options out there. I get this almost on a daily basis. And it is so simple to handle if, and that's a big if you are truly, truly exceptional. If your product or service is world class, it's very, very easy to handle. Here's how I would reply. Well, why is it so expensive? There are cheaper options out there. Well, Mr. Prospect, take a guess. Why do you think we are more expensive than everybody else? Oh, well, I guess you must be good at what you do, or you must be the best, or this may be the best product. Exactly. Do you want the best or you want the cheapest? You pick. Well, I want the best. You see, you gotta understand something here. When you are the best, no one would expect you to be the cheapest. When you are the cheapest, no one would believe you are the best. You cannot be the best if you're the cheapest. That's how people understand price. That's how people understand value. So don't be offended and don't be upset when people say to you, why you charge so much? Why do you think it's so expensive? You should take that as a compliment. If you're getting compliments from people, oh, why this is so cheap? Oh, you are so cheap. This is so affordable. You are charging too low. You should be getting a little bit of that resistance, a little bit of like, ooh, from the prospect. Like, ooh, this is a little high. This is outside of my budget. You should be getting some of that. If you're getting none of that, you're charging too low. You're not charging enough. You're undercharging. You're underpricing yourself. Does that make sense? So all you have to do to handle this objection is, why do you think people pay us that kind of money? Why do you think we charge more than anybody else? Why do you think we are the most expensive? And they will tell you. The prospect will justify it for you. And then all you have to ask is, hey, do you want the best or you want the cheapest? Because I'm not the cheapest. And boom, you've closed that sale.